All right, you can see some shades here. So here are the trees and the houses on a highland, and you can see some trees in a far distance. Let's do some details on the trees. So when you see something in a far distance, the village roof lines, it's going to be the ups and downs. So that's why I'm making little variations of the ups and downs. Okay, so this is a completely solid wooden frame. That's why the painting is little bit different. So solid wood and the texture is very rough. Okay, some belays. I'm also drawing the tree lines in this side too. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, and you can see the branches here, so I'm going to put some tree and the shades of leaves on the top of each branch. So where the branch ends, that place is going to be some leaves here. So as you can see that there are some bunch of trees staying all together, so that's why it's going to be a cloud formations. So some places are densely cloud like shapes with the trees, with the leaves, and in some places you can see the branches. All right, so going up high. Okay. All right, so if you can see that the tree lines is a little bit horizontal, so you can make it horizontally elongated like this. So it was the round shape previously, but I'm making it the horizontally elongated. So you can see the transformations of the leaves formation. So there's little different but not so tough, very easy. So it looks like the triangular shapes, the usually the straight lines in the bottom and the corners, and the sharp lines is on the top and looks like the triangle. Okay, so the trees here is almost done. Okay, for this tree we are going to put the leaves in a different way, just like the coconut tree has this kind of leaves, or the date palm tree. So little bit taller, and so many branches for each leaves, you can see. Okay, so this is the details for this kind of taller trees. All right, so each branch has the same types of characteristics. Just taking the green color and putting the details for the each trees. Okay, and finally that one is left on the top. And another one maybe has the branches on the side. And if you like, you can put few racks within the trees to make it more realistic. Okay, all right. So for the land here, you can put some greeneries. If you like to put the shades of the greeneries, then you can do some green shades at the bottom. Mhm. And moving to the top, just do the variations of the shades. There's the idea. Mhm. Okay, so from the bottom you can just put the strokes to the little bit higher, just to make that it looks like a shades of the green in some places. So you can see the shades here. Awesome. If you like, you can add some water to change the density. So sometimes the hard strokes maybe become the light strokes, be little bit lighter. So same thing like the water color, just add the water and you can see the changes. Okay, so changes come to the bottom. Bottom has a little bit dark and deep shade. Okay, all right, and some reflections maybe you can see on the water, very soft reflections. All right, now I'm going to put a boat here. So drawing the boat, you can see the details, and put a straight lines like this. Just you need to add some water and show the reflections of the boat, which is little bit on the water level. And for the skies here, you can see that maybe we're going to add some blue color with the water level to show the variable skies of the blue and also in the water. Okay, so just putting the strokes of the water. So it's very easy, simple, just put the color label flowing all around it. Skies is also getting blue. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.